lovelies, Vlogmas 24, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you this Milo puff puff. If this is the first time coming across my videos, you're very welcome, and thank you so much to you all that have been supporting me this far. Thank you so much for my Vlogmas views. I love them. I love you guys. Thank you for all the love, guys. Let's dive into this delicious recipe. So in there already I have half teaspoon of nutmeg. I have a pinch of salt. I've added 2 tablespoons of sugar, and here I have my Milo, which is the star ingredient in this puff puff recipe. I added 3 tablespoons of Milo. You can do more. The thing about this video or this puff puff I'm making today is that I am going to visit a pregnant friend, and guess what, I was 100% ready. In fact, I was at my door when I remember I didn't take a favorite. I've tasted all of my puff puff variants, like the banana, plantain, whatever puff puff I have made. She have tasted it, and I just thought, oh, what should I take along that she would like? And yeah, I made this, and guess what, guys, she love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all of this at home, and I'll be taking it to a place to fry, because like I said, I was 100% ready to move when I remembered I was going empty-handed. So guys, let's get mixing. So in all of that, like I said, I have added half teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of Milo. You can do more. And as for the sugar, I didn't do too much because of course Milo is sweet, so you can do more if you want. Okay, I have added 1 teaspoon of yeast. I use instant yeast. If you are using dry active yeast, you will need to activate it with warm water before you use it, even for your bread or whatever yeast ingredients, whatever yeast snack you'll be making. But because I always go for instant dry yeast, I don't do anything active. I always go for instant. So add your yeast and add your warm water. So I went gradually with the warm water. First of all, I added 1/3 cup. No, I added 1 cup, okay, because I wanted to know, like, let you guys know. Normally I would just go with water that I know will be enough, but because of this recipe purpose, I went with 1 cup, and now I'm using my 1/3 cup. But guys, it's not full at all. Half of it was what I added, and that gave me the perfect consistency that I want. If you have been on my channel and you have watched other puff puff videos that I make, you will know I don't let my puff puff mix to go runny, okay? And I also do not add a lot of yeast to my puff puff. The reason is because if you have add lot of yeast, it's going to overproof, like it's going to get rise a lot, like tripled or more in size, and all you need is for it to double in size, right? So that will make your oil to soak. I don't do puff puff that when you are eating, all your hands to be soaked with oil. I don't do that. So with this consistency, you are going to get a very fine puff puff mix. And another reason why I don't, that's for when I don't use a lot of yeast, okay? So for the water usage, I like it. I like my puff puff looking like buns on the skin, not cracky, but just firm. You get. I don't like my puff puff having all of the oil kind of feel, you get. So go ahead and make it your way. Like I have already explained the consistency and what you get from it, so go ahead and do it the way you want. This texture also, it helps when you are frying. When you are frying, it doesn't like drink a lot of oil, so you won't get that oily feel, okay? So you can use a very small amount of oil and you will still have it in your pot. So this is for when you are making immediately, like you don't have a lot of time. Go ahead and add some boiling water in a bowl and put your bowl of puff puff mix on top of this bowl, and this will proof for 8 to 10 minutes and you are good to go. If you don't want to go through this process or you are not in a hurry, just leave the puff puff mix on the side of the kitchen that is warm, and it will rise in 45 to 50 minutes. So I didn't really leave it on the water. I put it straight in my car. You know, the weather is kind of hot this period, and before I got to my friend's place, it was well proofed. Okay, so this is me in our kitchen. You can see the difference, and I'm just showing you guys the oil is already preheating. I'm just showing you guys the consistency that I made and all of that. So you can see when you scoop, it comes out easily. I was showing you the way everybody scoop, but this is the way I scoop. I just drop in the oil. So guys, let's get frying. Okay, I know I have done a lot of talking in this particular one, but yeah, I just needed to let you guys know, because I know a lot of you will be making puff puff this Christmas. So please just take note of these points that I've mentioned, and make sure you don't make any of the mistakes. So like I said, I'm in my friend's place, and I try to use a deep pot to fry puff puff. This is what I don't really do. I usually like using my wok. So this pot, the thing just goes down and settle there. Trust me, this oil is hot enough, so it was just sticking to the pot. But yeah, I later just raised it with spoon, and on the second fry it was perfect, by the way. So don't feel you have done anything wrong when it happens this way. Okay, all you need to do is to lift it up with a spoon, and it comes off easily. Okay, just make sure you do it on time so it doesn't fry in one side before they flip. Yeah, that's what I needed to tell you guys. So like I said, bear with me for all of the talking on this video. For now, I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. And thank you so much. Like I said earlier, thank you for watching my Vlogmas videos. I appreciate you guys. Please don't stop until day 25 and beyond. It's almost 25, and I'm so excited I'm able to do this. I just pray I can complete it, because guys, I don't have all of the videos yet. I haven't created all of the videos yet because I've been busy myself. But yeah, I am very sure I can make it. Just pray for me, okay? So I'm just going to finish frying, and just wait to see how I served this to her, and she nailed it. She ate every single bit of it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys, or talk to you guys, tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Have a blessed day, and season's greetings from me to you. Thank you so much.